In India, a very big population of the cattle and buffaloes are vaccinated. An organized control program for foot and mouth disease was initiated in the year 2003 with a target population of 30 million cattle and buffaloes in 54 districts. These animals are vaccinated twice a year, and due to this vaccination there is a reduction in the incidence of the disease, and encouraged by the success of this program, the Government of India has further increased the coverage to include another 167 districts in 8 states to cover the cattle and the buffaloes by 2 times vaccination annually, with an aim to bring down the incidence of the disease and move forward in the progressive control pathway. So, as of now, 120 million cattle and buffaloes, comprising about 39% of the entire cattle and buffalo population of the country, are covered under this program implemented in 8 states and 4 union territories. And it is the plan of the Government of India to expand this program further to cover the entire country, and 305 million cattle and buffaloes and about 12 million pigs by the year 2015, so that by the year 2020 we are able to establish clearly defined zones of freedom with vaccination as per the international regulations in the country. There are 4 major vaccine producers in the country with an installed capacity of about 350 million doses at present. The national requirement has also increased considerably, and many of them are expanding their capacity. It is expected that by the year 2015 the country should have the requirement to the tune of 600 to 800 million doses of trivalent vaccine. In addition to that, all the member countries in the region in South Asia source the vaccine from India only, as the other countries do not have this kind of large scale production facilities.